We have 72 degrees, wind is out of the west at 8 miles an hour. The relative humidity is at 41%. Barometric pressure has leveled off now, 29.94 inches. Again, 72, they're calling it fair at Metro Airport. 74 and partly cloudy in Lincoln Park. Now sunshine and 74 in Clinton Township and in Farmington, also 74 and sunny. Updates of traffic and weather together every 10 minutes on the 8s. Our next update comes up in less than 10 minutes at 10:48. WWJ News Time is now 10:40.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
Is a coordinated monthly local test of the emergency alert system, originating from the EAS local primary station for this area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado, a toxic material release, or other state or local emergency that affects your safety, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Hi, I'm Henry Winkler. My